In front of me is ZTE Blade A34, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Privacy section. Now select Permission Manager and tap on any of your device's options you wish to manage, like files. Or maybe something that has installed apps like microphone. Now select one of those options under one of those sections. Allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. Apply one of those by clicking on the best one and go back. As you can see now, Chrome just gained access to my device's microphone if I'm using this app. But you can also select one of your apps, scroll all the way down and select See All Permissions to manage all of those only for chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!